Fake online reviews have become such an epidemic that a judge has just ordered the review site Yelp to name some of its anonymous reviewers. And that's cause for concern to anyone who likes to review restaurants and businesses online. Yelp recently launched a new consumer alert program to help protect businesses and readers from phony reviews. Yelp now puts up pop-up boxes on its site warning users if it suspects a business is using fake reviews. But that's apparently not enough. A Virginia judge this past week ordered Yelp to name the anonymous reviewers who posted negative reviews about a carpet cleaning company. The company sued Yelp, claiming the fake reviews hurt its business, and the judge agreed. This should be a wake-up call to anyone who posts negative reviews of businesses or restaurants. Don't assume the website will protect your anonymity. Your best bet is to be honest. No court will hold you liable for writing the truth. But be truthful so you don't waste your money. I'm John Matarese, ABC Action News.